How to add new account to your TikTok account without logging out. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add new account to your account easy and fast. First thing we do, we go to TikTok. Now let's say that you want to add an account. From here you have just to click on the name of your account like this, and then switch from here, or you can add account in here. Just click on it and type the informations of the account that you want to add, and everything will be done. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.